Nisile ngifuna 2 million ngiyanibona.
Ngokala uphila ngimbuzo lokwesibili mina. Okwesibili. Ngenza kwethu ngizothanda ukuthi ngikhulume ngesingisi ngoba njengoba ngishilo khona abantu baseBotswana nabakubuka. Tapos le batla ke Lesotho. Atención, que kale ka luna pele. Ke rata o lebo ka hore le tswile Botswana la Tanzania ka ofela la tlola la tlo celebrate le nna bophelo ba ka. Lo ke fitile ka big brother la support o fitela mona jwale ke kopa ho hore le ba shapele matsoho. Le rata ka tswile ka ofela ka boka mota. Bakwethu enginamazi ngithini ngempela amazwane angisena amazi okubonga kugcwele empeke uthe phama estadium ngengqele kaSiguluka. So I would love to firstly to thank my family for raising someone like me, and also I would like to thank Ingquthu for raising someone like me also, because it's not only my family who raised a boy. I mean, when you go to some places or certain places, they give you advice and then you build yourself towards whatever point you want to be. So I would like to thank everyone. No ngazi, but I would like to thank everyone and for your attendance and everything. Guys, even there's someone like ukwenza ukuthile ngicela naye ukuthi simsupport siqhubeke naye njalo sibambane izandla and go forward from here to infinity or to the galaxy, wherever. So I'm just showing my gratitude. I'm very much grateful and thankful for everyone who came, even the journalists, I'm very much grateful. And angazi ukuthi ngizothini kodwa sicela ngikubonga nomasipala ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi basenzele umsebenzi omuhle kangaka ngoba ayikukhulu kakhulu akusinto encane le ukula kusothanda ukubonga nje ngokuhluka uba mhlonishwa ubameya uShabalala noba beMessi sicela ukubonga ukuthi basenzele into enkulu kangaka ngaphandle kwabo ibengeke sibe impumelelo kodwa ngithanda ukubonga na wonke ke manje umuntu ovotile ke everyone. I love you all. Wow. You came in numbers, that's what you call it.
Nisile ngifuna 2 million ngiyanibona.
Oh, before ngivale ngikukhumbuze ukuthi usikhulu bigebe kasebaphi kuze safumethelwe kakhulu record.
More than just sit down before my things up every shower. That is something like this. I don't dance away. Once the no buguditi. Something all in the world nyama kuka. Washinja wamshope kwa.
That is why I told you which I told you. I love you.
Simbanga kanjani?